To start, simply take off the main fascia panel. Make sure to apply the pressure evenly when pulling, so not to break any of the clips on the way out. Now undo the screws that surround your head unit. Once this is done, remove the head unit whilst disconnecting all the wiring. At this point you should have already screwed on the brackets to each side of your new head unit. Now proceed to plug in your new Connect 2 aerial adapter as well as your Connect 2 power loom to your head unit's connector. Take the Connect 2 interface and attach the loom's 14-pin adapter to the appropriate side. Then attach your patch lead to the corresponding side. For this installation we are using a CT multi-lead which has been altered for an Alpine radio. For more information, check the link on screen now or check in the information box below. Please note that the CTK VX37 kit does not come with a patch lead and you will have to acquire a patch lead separately. Another part that is separate to the kit is the CT VX USB .2. This will retain your car's pre-existing USB connection with your new head unit. This simply connects to the car and radio like so. Check out the information below for the part number and relevant links. Now connect all of the remaining wires to your car's pre-existing connections. Once fully connected, stow the head unit away, and once happy everything is lined up perfectly, proceed to screw back into the dashboard. Now take your new fascia panel and attach the metal clips found within the kit to all the relevant panel clips and slot it into place, thus completing the installation.